Introducing this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT wheelchair accessible van.
Looking for forever, just a quiet place to land. After all the storms I weathered, I was learning how to stand. I'd seen love burn down to nothing, watched it fall apart too fast. So I told my heart, be careful. Don't let anybody.
This van is equipped with a BraunAbility rear entry automatic fold-out ramp, making it a simple and dependable mobility solution for families, caregivers, or transportation use. With only a little over 54,000 miles, this Grand Caravan offers excellent value, practical accessibility, and the reliability you expect from a Dodge minivan.
You're the calm in the middle of my spinning world, the steady hand when my thoughts run wild.
The automatic rear entry ramp measures 45 inches long by 30 inches in width, giving wheelchair and power chair users easy push-button access into the vehicle.
You just stand right where you are, and every little thing you do feels like
This Grand Caravan comes finished in a clean silver exterior with a comfortable tan cloth interior, giving it a practical and welcoming cabin for everyday use.
supposed to be. Blue skies over hill country.
Under the hood, it's powered by a dependable 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering smooth performance whether you're driving around town, heading to appointments, or taking longer trips.
It ain't loud and it ain't reckless. It doesn't need to
What we really like about this van is how easy and practical it is. The rear entry design is great for loading and unloading in parking lots, driveways, or tight spaces, and the automatic ramp adds extra convenience for daily use.
how to stay. You're the calm.
So if you're looking for a reliable wheelchair accessible van with a spacious interior and easy automatic access, this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with BraunAbility rear entry conversion is a great option. Call AutoMobility store today and ask us about availability, financing, warranty options, and nationwide shipping and delivery.